All right, Amber, thank you. If you're an avid gym goer, you know the start of the new year is when gyms are often the busiest. One personal trainer says he sees more clients coming in at the beginning of the year as part of their New Year's resolution. But News 18's Kelly Roberts reports how you can make a resolution last the entire year.
Through the holidays, we feel full bellies. But come New Year's, the gyms are what are full.
We get a real spike in people coming in for New Year's resolutions. And then around summer, it kind of dies off. People getting outside more often, going on vacations.
Park West Fitness head personal trainer Justin DeBlau says when he meets new clients after the new year, he tends to hear the same thing. They want to get fit or in shape. He says the first step is not to be so vague and set real goals.
The first thing is making the SMART goals specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. So we define what their goal is. I want to lose 10 pounds. I want to lose 5% body fat. I want to run a 5K or something like that. So we know what it is. Then we set a timeline.
But once the goal is set, how do you stick with it? DeBlau says reaching a fitness goal is not easy and mostly takes hard work. He says the trick is getting other people involved. First, you want to tell anyone you can.
Family, your colleagues, your friends, those people are going to keep you accountable. They'll ask you about it. They'll be people who go to the gym with you. They're the ones who go out buy groceries with you.
Then DeBlau says you want to get someone to reach the goal with you.
The day that you're unmotivated, or you're like, oh, I've been busy from work, I'm tired, I take the kids to soccer practice or whatever it is, but if your friend maybe is not having that bad day, they'll be the ones who are like, hey, we still got to go to the gym.
Park West Fitness is making it even easier for people to join the gym with New Year's deals. For those deals, visit WLFI.com. Kelly Roberts, News 18.